So here they are, the beautiful Z50's. If you watch the Chappie video, I know I said that I only got the Chappie because I was looking for a smaller bike like Z50's, but they were getting so crazy expensive, which they are. I finished up the Chappie, you can see that now, and my plan is to use the profit from that to go into fixing up the other bikes, and hopefully this budget restoration will be, you know, a net zero where I'm just using the money from the bike before to pay for the bike ahead, and maybe they get bigger and bigger, better and better, I don't know. But as I was working on the Chappie, a buddy of mine, Bryce, who helped me, he's on Facebook Marketplace way more than I am, saw this bike for 900 bucks, and I immediately dropped what I was doing and drove an hour and a half to go pick it up. He said, hey, I got 2 other little bikes, and I don't have the wife that would be cool about 2 more bikes. I really didn't want 2 more bikes, but out of curiosity, I said, how much? He said the whole package, all 3 bikes, for 1,200 bucks. These 2 alone could have paid for this if I sell them. I don't know exactly what I'm going to do right now with them. I have an idea. Let me know if you think it's a good one, bad one, if there's a better idea, and that is this one that he had in storage for 20-25 years. Actually started right up, fiddled a little bit with a carb, and I'm going to go into a carb kind of tutorial on this one a little bit later. But it's here, it's all here, it's ready. It can get tore down. I'm going to leave it together while I tear this one down and get it all fixed up, cleaned up, go through the process of disassemble, clean, reassemble, and then buy the parts that I need and get this running. And then I'm going to tackle the 69 last. It's really pretty crunchy. Everything is stiff on it. I don't know. I think the frame's going to turn out nice, but I don't know about any of the other components. But these are all going to be separate videos, and I think I'm going to call this 74.1, 74.2, and then the 69, and they'll each have their own separate area on the website, so you can see what's going on with that. I want to leave this one together so I can use it as a reference whenever I run into troubles, maybe wiring or how parts should look, and get this one up and running and looking real good. In the meantime, then switch over to this one and get it a lot nicer, and using some of the parts that I need to strip off from this one to get this one in just really nice looking and running. And then I may sell this one to get the parts to get this one looking, because these 69s, when they are done right with a nice tank, nice seat, nice chrome engine, everything chromed out, they are absolutely beautiful. So I'm excited about all of this. In the end, if I have a 74 and a 69 looking really good, I'll be excited about it. If I can keep all 3 or get this one running and doing well, but I think these are going to cost a little bit more to be able to keep one of these, to keep all 3 and still make these the way I really want them to look. If you're not familiar with the Z50's, obviously they're Honda Z50's in production from 1961 to 1999. Often commonly referred to as a monkey bike because they're so small. Anybody on them kind of looks like a monkey driving them. The first one was a Honda Z100. It was in an amusement park in Japan, and they made adjustments to it to put it into production, and shipped it over to the U.S. to compete with kind of the ratty rat bike mini bikes that people were building, you know, in the 60s and 70s. I love those too, but making a complete miniaturized motorcycle is just the coolest, and with a lot of features to make them portable. With the handlebars, they fold down, and this, you know, as you can see, I fit 3 of these in the back of a Honda CR-V, and I could have fit 2 more. So they are really good for portable travel, and they're just cool bikes. And right now the market for these is off the hook. So to be able to find a working one for 900, and to the guy's credit, he knew as soon as he posted it, he undersold it because he said it was blowing up, and to his credit, he kept his word. I was the first person down there. I bought it. So stay tuned. We're going to have working on this one first, hanging out with this one, and then the 69 is going to be kind of the the cherry on top for these. So stay tuned if you like these. You'll be able to see the 3-step process I do, which is I disassemble everything, clean everything, and then reassemble it and figure out what we need to get, buy it, put them all together, and then have a really, really nice little bike without breaking the bank. Well, hopefully not. So stay tuned for these. Appreciate it. Thanks.